Murphy is the newest addition to Mighty Soldiers Trades over here. He is telling me that we should wait on buying the SPY, but I don't know if I'm going to listen to Murphy yet because he's just a rookie. He doesn't know that much about the markets, I don't think.
I don't know, he might.
Hi, I'm Murphy with Mighty Soldiers Trades, and today the market is having a historic event with another market-wide halt. So stay tuned. How you guys doing? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
I'm Sarah.
And right now, another historic day in the market. The second time that we've ever had a market-wide halt. We had, it was right at market open today, pretty much just like it was the other day.
Yeah, Monday.
And
This
then
Monday. Two in a week.
So two historic events in 1 week. The market, last I checked right now, down 8%. If it hits 13%, it'll be another halt. If it can hit 20% down, we will be halted for the day at 20%.
Right.
So that is incredible. And today we had 200% rippers on the screen, you know, over 100%. We had some pretty intense stuff going on there, so that was pretty awesome. So what did we trade today, Sarah?
Today we traded DSS. They had some news that they are reporting the purchase of Impact Biomedical with a purchase price capped at $50 million.
What is it?
DSS.
Yes. Yeah, DSS, actually looking at DSS right now. DSS was in a nice consolidation pattern, now just sort of giving it up. But really nice trades earlier, really predictable. I grabbed the bounce at the 65 EMA. You know, I could have held that up to the 20 and the 9 where they were touching each other. But as I pointed out, there was an upper shadow and a little doji that formed. So hitting that ask would have been probably impossible and it would have pulled back away from me. So I just took a smaller profit target on that one, cutting it shy of the 20.
Yeah. And
got out of there. So that was pretty awesome. Hit some pretty nice trades today. One of our accounts is over 1%. The other one I'd say is about maybe 0.4% on the entire account. So no real record days over here, but I mean a real record day in the market though. This is incredible, and I don't know the numbers right offhand, but I hit really a really nice put in my options account. My options account is up, I think, about 300%. I think last I did the math, a little less than 300% on the entire account for the week. Just now did those numbers to make sure that I was right. So I think about 280-ish. 280% I'm up in my options account from some pretty nice trades. I mean, with options, you got to be really, really selective in your trades. I was not selective enough in my last trade, even though it worked out good for me. That was more like going to the casino, putting your money on red or black. It was really just not the way that I want to trade around here. I really like to, you know, I'm just not here to gamble, guys. I'm here to, like, for example, when I got 300% on my options trade on my SPY puts, I then said that I was going to take up to 25% of that and buy more calls or puts, you know, and I ended up putting only like 15% of my profits back in, and I lost on those. I don't know if I closed them out or if they had canceled on me, but either way, you know, I lost, and that's the thing, just not getting these options to where they cancel. You know, you don't want options that are like this Friday or whatever. Like, well, I'm not telling you guys what to do. So anyways, I got to be more careful on my options plays. It's just, you know, making profit, that's awesome, but gambling, it just feels dirty to me. I want to do it the right way. That way I can know that I'm going to be consistently staying in this game. There's nothing like obeying the rules and growing with the trading plan rather than just being somebody who swings for the fences. I mean, one of those, you know, like you're fighting as a little kid or something, that just does not, you know, cut the mustard.
Right.
I don't know who cuts mustard. I don't know where that even came from.
I cut the mustard.
Yeah, well, just don't cut the cheese. All right, so what else did we trade?
TBLT. TBLT had news yesterday. I'm not sure if this news goes with it, but they basically have a distribution deal with Pro Group. Represents $5.25 billion plus in annual buying power through Pro Hardware, Garden Master, Golden Link, and Farm Mart. Yeah,
so just what I expected with TBLT. As soon as I got in there, bought below my number, held below my number. You know, I knew that it was bullish and I knew that it was going to give me profit, but I had to wait it out, be patient with it. This is not the type of play I like to get into. And TBLT, you know, there's a reason. When you see these stocks that are beat up like that, and they're beat all the way down for so long, and so many people have gotten crushed, you know, there's a reason for this. There is somebody taking the other side of these trades that is just not good. So TBLT cut the cheese today, or mustard, or something like that.
It always does.
Yeah, exactly.
And then the
TBLT stinks is my point.
The CHK took a trade on, which that one I think is basically just trading down because of the oil and whatever else.
So CHK probably on that Trump news with gas tax or something like that. You know, a lot of these I'm thinking might get a nice little bounce on oil. I think we already did get a little bounce on oil. You know, I was anticipating that oil might go down, you know, the low 20s before it makes its way back up. But I mean, for the long haul, you know, projection, like say out 10 years or whatever, I'm really liking the SPY where it is, and I'm really liking oil where it is. But we never know. I mean, at this point, the way that we're trading below the 200 EMA on the weekly for the SPY, next stop, possibly 233. You know, and if we break that 233 level, all bets are off, guys. Like, pretty much at this point, anybody below this 200 EMA that's holding, like, you're like a penny stock bag holder on the SPY right now. Like, really. That's kind of how I'm seeing this. You know, a lot of people very bullish on their retirement accounts and stuff. And I'm not telling you guys what to do. Please don't trade off of my opinion at all. I am not an investment advisor, and I'm only here expressing my opinions. But, you know, I definitely do not feel comfortable and safe, you know, if I was holding at this level. But I do feel comfortable and safe adding flows in at this level. This is basically adding, you know, taking smaller sizes here, and if we go down to 233, adding some more sizes, and if we go down from there, obviously just slamming it with the most amount of buying power that I can muster up. I might just kill this whole day trading thing and just put it all in the SPY if we go below 233.
Yeah.
No, I'll always have something over here. You know, and oil is the same thing. I believe that oil is a lot like the SPY, but oil, you know, it's a totally different environment. There's a lot of politics involved. There's a lot of supply, oversupply. Then, you know, we have people that can't even produce. Like, we're gonna probably see maybe an increase in natural gas prices. You know, natural gas, I hear that they were just blowing it off, like the methane, just off into the atmosphere. I don't know if they were burning it off or just blowing it off. Either way, it's probably not good for the environment, all this methane. And I mean, we're worried about cars with their CO2, but what about all this methane and natural gas? Okay, I'm going off on a tangent here with some of this environmental stuff, but.
Well, I was going to say, what about volcanoes that blow their top?
Yeah, and all the CO2 from the volcanoes. But that's not something we can help. What we can help is not blowing off natural gas and methane. And, you know, I think there should be some regulations that we have to capture this stuff and utilize it. And, you know, it's just not, it doesn't, just because it's not affordable. Well, if it's not affordable, then you shouldn't be allowed to drill. Simple as that. So, yeah. Let's put that up for legislative decisions, whatever that stuff goes. I'm not a politician, guys. But pretty soon, vote for Andy.
Yeah, you should run for some sort of.
I got a lot of really nice regulations that's going to help retail traders and all that. So, vote for Andy in 2065.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, I think that's it as far as what we traded. You know, like we said, we did pretty good, over probably about 1% in one account. And only 0.4% in the other account. But you guys are awesome, continuing to provide value in the stream every day. The stream is growing. More and more people are coming, and everything I get is good feedback. I've not had anybody complain, other than like when I play some music in the stream, I get a couple thumbs down. So, you know, maybe I shouldn't play music, even though it's the most awesome, you know, day trading song ever. So,
yeah.
You know, awesome.
It's an awesome song.
It is really awesome. So, but yeah, I mean, to each their own as far as music, and some people, you know, are not gonna like my taste in music. So yeah, a couple thumbs downs, and anybody else that's giving thumbs downs without, you know, expressing, like, we're here to grow with you. If you guys want to let us know what you don't like, you know, hit the thumbs up, hit the thumbs down. That gives us some feedback right there. But also leave a comment. Let us know how you really feel and what it's about. And if you're just some sort of you know, troll or jerk, you know, don't let the door hit you on the way out. But I know you guys are not. You guys are awesome. And I appreciate you guys. So anyway.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.